Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yellow Butterfly Wear, and today we're going to be making an off-shoulder bodice with an attached sleeve. So that was me just drafting my starting line or my starting point line, which is a must. Every one of you should start with a starting line when drafting your pattern. Okay, that was me just measuring my shoulder line, which is our shoulder measurement that is divided by 2. Remember, your shoulder measurement should be divided by 2. And I was just marking my bust point, under bust point, waistline, which is my full length. In this case, my full length was 16, my full top length was 16. It's one and the same thing. And I was just marking it out, marking on my horizontal lines and indicating to say that BP is for bust point, UB is for under bust, and FL means full length. Don't be confused, guys. Don't be confused. So I'm a newbie starting out, but I would love to grow my family. So if you like what I'm doing right now, please subscribe. Let's grow the family. And okay, that was just me indicating my armhole line, which is 2 inches above your bust point, or if you can't do that, you can as well just divide your bust by 6 plus 1.5. And from the board on your armhole line, from the bottom, go down by 2.5. So we're just drafting the sleeve that will be attached. Okay, so that was just me divided my arm circumference by 4 plus 0.5, and then went down on my neck depth by 6 inches, and then I settled for 2.5 inches. That's what I'll be using for my sleeve length. And then the 3 that we got at first, we added 0.5 to draft the lower part of our sleeve. Okay, and that was me. I wasn't convinced with the way the line was landing. I'm like, yeah, let me take it higher. Let me bend it a little more. And yeah, here you are. We have our sleeve. It looks so cute. I can already see myself wearing this top. Though this is going to be a dress, it's going to be attached on the bottom, but it looks beautiful. We could even make a top out of this. And that was me just dividing my bust measurement by 4, added 2 inches allowance. Okay, you could use 1.5, but I prefer 2 inches. That was me on my waistline, bust point line, just indicating my nipple to nipple or my dot line, which is 3.5 plus 0.5 allowance. And then you just draw it straight up to the neckline. So we're just going to do our darting, and I went down by ½ inch. Since I'm small, I used 1.5. That was 3/4 of an inch on one side, and then 3/4 of an inch on the other side. And then I just attached my darts, and then I got my measuring tape on the top. I only did half on one side and half on the other side, and then attached it to my chest line. You've got an easy, beautiful dart for yourself. But if you're on a bigger side, you could use 1 inch on the bottom and just maintain ½ inch on top. That was me just dividing my waist measurement by 4, adding 2 inches seam allowance plus 1.5. Remember the dart that we took out? We're going to bring it back and add it there. And you're good. You're done. Okay, join me for part 2 as I do my back part and the sewing part. Bye. I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things. See you in my next video. Bye. And that was just me trying to balance out my darts because one was shorter than the other. See you later.